This Chinese dish is called Sui Kou Ji. Its literal meaning is mouth-watering chicken. It was named so because its hot and spicy sauce makes hungry those who have already tasted it. Depending on the type of chili juice, you can get a dish that is not too hot but keeping its original flavors. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Marinate the chicken with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix all and let rest while preparing the other ingredients. To make the sauce, peel the ginger, grate it. Take 1 teaspoon. Chop a small clove of garlic. Mince the cilantro. Crush 1 teaspoon of Szechuan pepper. This pepper is not hot, it has a citrus flavor. Put it in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of sweet or hot crushed dry chilies. Heat 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium heat. To check that the oil is hot, dip a wooden stick. Some small bubbles appear. It means that it's hot. Pour it into the bowl of Szechuan pepper and chili. Combine. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder to have a nice red color. Then mix. I soak the pot of maltose in hot water to make it malleable. Take 1 teaspoon. Put it in the bowl. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some sesame oil drops, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black rice vinegar. Combine until the maltose is diluted. Add the grated ginger and the chopped garlic. Mix all. Finally, put the cilantro. Now prepare the Choy Sum. Cut the tender branches that carry the leaves. Remove the hard skin from the stump and keep the tender hearts. Put 1 teaspoon of salt in a pot of boiling water. Blanch the vegetables for 1 minute. Remove them and let them drain for a few minutes. Then put them on a plate. Now, in a pan over high heat, put 1 tablespoon of oil. When it's hot, brown the chicken thighs for about 3 minutes per side. Cut them into chunks. Put them on the vegetables. Pour the sauce on. The mouth-watering chicken is ready. Serve with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The sauce raises the dish. We can taste the different ingredients: the chili, the Szechuan pepper, the black rice vinegar, the slight sweet taste of Mentos, the ginger, the garlic and the cilantro. The crunchy and subtle flavor of Choy Sum perfectly contrasts with the strength of the sauce. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.